So what exactly is a SEER rating? SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. It measures how efficiently an air conditioner or heat pump can convert electricity into cooling power over an entire cooling season. Hi, I'm Denny Brown, and today I want to help demystify SEER ratings. The higher the SEER rating, the more energy efficient the system is. SEER ratings typically range from 13 to 25 or higher. The higher numbers indicating better efficiency. But what's considered a good SEER rating for your home? It depends on various factors, including your local climate, budget, and long-term energy savings goals. As a general guideline, SEER 13 to 14 units are cost-effective for milder climates. SEER 16 to 18 units offer a good balance between efficiency and affordability. SEER 20 units or higher are designed for hot and humid regions. Now, is it worth upgrading from a 14 SEER to a 16 SEER system? Upgrading can be beneficial, especially if you live in an area with long, hot summers. While the initial cost may be higher, the increased energy efficiency of a 16 SEER unit can lead to lower energy bills over time. What about choosing between a 13 SEER and a 16 SEER system? Your choice depends on your specific needs. A 13 SEER unit may suffice for milder climates, but if you're seeking better energy efficiency and plan to use your cooling system frequently, a 16 SEER unit could provide more comfort and savings in the long run. Does the SEER rating really matter? Absolutely. The SEER rating directly affects your cooling system's efficiency, which in turn impacts your energy bills. Choosing a higher SEER rating can lead to significant energy savings over time, making it a crucial factor in selecting the right cooling system for your home. In conclusion, understanding what a SEER rating is and why it matters is key when making an informed choice for your home's air conditioning system. Consider your climate budget and long-term energy savings goals to determine the perfect SEER rating for your needs. For more information and expert advice, visit our website and get in touch with our team today.